Super chat. Thank you so much. Yeah, I've been 12 years on game dev industry for a couple of companies. That is cool. I always try to make my own things, but always over-engineer like my projects were from the company, and I end up not finishing my games. That is definitely rough. That is something that you definitely. It is a very common problem that a lot of developers face, myself included as well. That is something that I constantly have to fight over. I mean, overscoping, over-engineering. That is a very common problem, something that happens all the time. So I would say, based on that, you are definitely not outside normality. You are definitely perfectly normal because, yeah, that is something. And honestly, that is something that never quite goes away. So, yeah, you are basically going to constantly keep fighting across that. And, yeah, the only way is to basically keep actively fighting against it, because it will always be an issue. It will never be something that you are just easily getting away with. Nope, it will always be an issue on that. But the good news is that it's definitely a skill that you can definitely improve at. So for me, in the beginning, I would definitely have massive issues with overscoping. I've spoken previously how when it was like my third Flash game, I somehow decided that I'm going to make a massive MMO game. And it was something that was meant to be made in just a few months. And then I realized, okay, it's actually going to take a few years. So thankfully, I gave up on that idea after like 3 months. So I didn't actually waste multiple years on it. But yeah, so that was kind of my skills when it comes to overscoping in the beginning. I want to make something in 1 to 2 months, and it was probably going to take multiple years. Thankfully, I cut that away. And nowadays, when I think, okay, something is going to take 2 months, again, I'm still not perfect. So when something is going to take 2 months, it probably might take 3 months, but no longer is, okay, I think it's going to take 2 months, and it actually takes up 2 years. So thankfully, that is definitely a skill that you can learn. And basically, you learn it just by making tons and tons of games. By getting a ton of experience, you'll learn how to not over-engineer things, because, yeah, that is definitely quite an issue. Seeing if there's a follow-up comment. Nope, but yeah, so that's basically it. Over-engineering, overscoping, very common issue, very common problem, and my only advice is keep writing things, keep gaining more experience, and over time you will hopefully learn quite a bit. Yeah.